Did you know a sneeze can travel faster than some sports cars? Let's dive into this mind-blowing fact. Sneezing might seem like no big deal, but it's a high-powered biological event. Your body uses sneezing to eject irritants from your nose with incredible force, but here's the cool part, it's super fast. A sneeze can reach speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour, or 100 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed limit on most highways. Just imagine a sneeze outracing a car. Sneezing involves muscles from your chest, diaphragm and throat working together. It's like a mini explosion. And did you know? A single sneeze releases over 100,000 droplets into the air. Ever tried to keep your eyes open while sneezing? It's almost impossible. Your body closes them automatically to protect your eyes. Next time you sneeze, remember you just launched a high-speed biological rocket. If you enjoyed this fact, hit like, share, and subscribe to Fun Facts for more incredible knowledge drops.